A message from the heart, me dear friend. Before we begin this long, meaningful journey together, I want you to pause for a moment. Take a slow breath in, hold it gently, and breathe out. Place your hand on your leg, your knee, or your hip. Feel that area. Feel the structure beneath your skin. Feel the bones that have carried you for decades, through work, through life, through your responsibilities, through your struggles, through your joys, through every step you took. Your bones have been your silent support. They have done their job without ever asking for appreciation. But after 50, after 60, after 70, something changes. Your bones don't become weaker because you did something wrong. They become weaker because time gently whispers, "Take care of me now. I have carried you far. Now I need your love." This video, this message, this journey is not about fear. It is about strength. Your strength, your future, your independence, your freedom. Because strong bones are not just about walking. Strong bones are about living. Living without fear of falling. Living without fear of pain. Living without fear of fractures. Living without limits. And today, you will learn the 5 foods your bones desperately need every single day to stay strong, to stay firm, to stay healthy, and to support you for the decades to come. These are not expensive foods, not complicated foods, not rare foods. They are simple, powerful, and life-changing. Let's begin this journey with something beautiful. Hope. Chapter 1. The truth about aging bones. There is a truth many seniors don't know. Bones are not dead. They are living, growing, repairing, responding to what you feed them. Your bones are not fading. They are waiting for the right nutrition, waiting for the right minerals, waiting for the right care. You see, after 60, your bones lose density faster. This is normal. This is natural, but it is not permanent. You can rebuild bone strength at any age. Yes, at any age. There are seniors who rebuilt bone density at 70, others at 75, some even at 80 and beyond. And you know how they did it. Not with expensive supplements, not with complicated routines, not with painful exercise, but with food, daily food, simple food, real food. Because food is not just food. Food is information for your bones. When you eat the right things, your bones understand. I can grow again. I can repair the cracks. I can fill the weak spaces. I can become strong again. And today, you are going to learn the 5 foods that send that powerful message. Chapter 2. The story of strength. Before we reveal the foods, let me share a small story. There was a 68-year-old woman named Nora. Her hands were strong, but her legs were weak. She couldn't walk for long. She feared falling. She avoided stairs, and she always said, "My bones are too old now. Nothing will help." But her doctor told her gently, "Your bones are not old. They are hungry." And she changed one thing. Her food. Within months, not years, months. She felt stronger. She walked better. She stood taller. Her legs felt stable. Her knees hurt less. Her back felt lighter. Why? Because food is powerful. Food restores. Food heals. Food rebuilds. This story is not unique. It is common, and it can be your story too. Chapter 3. Your bones need daily love. Your bones are like a house. Every day they lose tiny pieces, and every day they rebuild tiny pieces. But after 60, the rebuilding slows down. Unless you give your bones special nutrients. The 5 foods you're about to learn are daily medicine. Natural medicine, gentle medicine, safe medicine that your bones desperately need. If you add these foods to your routine every single day, not occasionally, not once a week, not sometimes, but daily, your bones will respond. Your balance will improve. Your walking will improve. Your posture will improve. Your confidence will improve. Your life will improve. These foods have built the bones of millions. Now they can build yours too. Let's begin. Food number 1. The calcium hero, dairy, or its healthy alternative. Let me say this clearly. After 60, your bones crave calcium. Calcium is not optional. Calcium is not maybe. Calcium is daily survival. And the truth is simple. Your bones cannot stay strong without it. But here's the deeper truth. Your bones cannot absorb calcium without vitamin D, so your body needs both. Together. The easiest, safest, daily source? Milk, yogurt, or fortified alternatives. Why? Seniors need this. Builds bone density, prevents fracture, strengthens spine and hips, reduces joint pain, supports muscle function, improves balance. If you can't tolerate regular milk, choose fortified. Almond milk fortified soy milk fortified oat. Milk fortified yogurt just 1 glass a day. Gives your bones the raw material they need. This is not about childhood milk. This is about senior strength. This is about rebuilding what time has taken. Your bones love warmth, so warm milk is even better. Sip it slowly. Let it comfort you. Let it become your daily ritual of strength. Food number 2. The sunlight vitamin. Foods rich in vitamin. Think of vitamin D as the key that unlocks calcium. Without it, calcium becomes useless. It passes through the body, but never reaches the bones. This is why seniors often lose bone strength, not because of low calcium, but because of low vitamin D. The best food sources: eggs is a monster defeated cereals fortified milk fortified juice, and yes, gentle morning sunlight is still the greatest natural source. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight can turn weak bones into growing bones. Vitamin D strengthens bone structure and repairs. Microfracture supports spine health, improves immunity. Bone paintus is the nutrient of life, the nutrient of strength, the nutrient your bones silently pray for. Chapter 4. The beauty of bone-nourishing food. Be now. You already know, strong bones are not built in hospitals. Strong bones are built in kitchens. They are built by routines, by habits, by small decisions you make every day. Every spoonful you eat can either strengthen your bones or weaken them. You are not eating for taste now. You are eating for life, for mobility, for freedom, for the ability to stand, walk, and live confidently. Your bones are listening. Your body is waiting. Your strength is rebuilding. And we still have 3 more foods, the most powerful ones, coming in the next part. And of part 1, here is part 2. Section 6, food number 3, the green protected leafy greens. My friend, if there is one gift nature gives to your bones, one quiet, gentle food that protects you from the inside, it is leafy green vegetables. Most people think greens are just diet food, but for seniors, they are something much more sacred. They are bone medicine from the earth. Spinach, kale, collard greens, mustard greens, moringa leaves, arugula, bok choy. These are not just vegetables. These are calcium factories, packed with vitamin K, the vitamin your bones beg for. When vitamin K enters your body, it does something powerful. It helps your bones bind calcium into their structure, like cement holding bricks together. Without vitamin K, calcium becomes confused. It may float into places it should not go, like arteries and joints. With vitamin K, calcium knows exactly where to go, straight into your bones. So leafy greens don't just help your bones. They guide, organize, and protect them. A warm morning ritual for you. Imagine this. You start each day with a warm, gentle plate of a handful of spinach, a spoon of olive oil, a sprinkle of black pepper, maybe 1 scrambled egg, or a bit of yogurt. Soft, warm, nourishing, perfect for seniors. Every forkful you take gives your bones a message. You are safe. You are strong. You are supported. Because, my friend, after 60, your bones don't need stress. They need kindness. Greens give them exactly that. Story time for the heartlet. We tell you a small story. A 72-year-old grandmother once said, "I eat greens not because I love the taste, but because they help me walk to the park with my grandkids." That is the heart of this message. Eat for strength. Eat for movement. Eat for the freedom to live on your own terms. And greens, they give you that freedom quietly, gently, every day. Section 7, food number 4, the nut that builds bones. Almonds and walnuts. Now we arrive at one of the most powerful, overlooked bone builders, nuts. Nuts may look small, but they are mighty, especially almonds and walnuts. Why? Because they contain magnesium, gives the mineral that activates vitamin D. Calcium gives the building block of bone. Healthy fats gives to reduce inflammation in joints. Protein gives to maintain muscles around the bones. A simple truth: you can think of magnesium as the switch, vitamin D as the light, calcium as the power. If magnesium is low, the light cannot turn on. If the light is off, calcium cannot enter the bones. That is why seniors who skip nuts often have lower bone density and higher fracture risk. But when you eat even 8 to 10 almonds a day, something beautiful happens. Your bones wake up. They build. They repair. They strengthen. Because nuts give your bones the spark they've been waiting for. The morning handful habit. Every morning, take a small handful of almonds. While let's be a session, a lot, just enough to support your bones, heart, and brain. Your bones need magnesium every single day. Not once a week, not when you feel like it, but every day. Consistency builds strength. Strength builds independence. A message for you, me friend. You are never too old to get stronger, never too old to rebuild, never too old to nourish the body you still live and die as long as your heart is beating. Your bones can grow, your muscles can improve, your strength can return. Nuts are not just food, they are a promise of better days. Section 8. Food number 5. The bone-building superfood. EGGS. Now we reach the final food. A simple food, a humble food, a powerful food. Eggs. You may not know this, but eggs contain something rare. Vitamin D plus natural protein, plus B12 plus bone-building minerals together. They create the perfect combination for seniors. Why eggs are a gift for bones as we age. Our vitamin D levels drop. This creates weak bones, weak muscle, sugar fall, risk more joint pain, slower healing, but eggs gently fill in this missing piece. One egg gives you, vitamin D gives, pushes calcium into your bones, protein gives, helps build muscles that support your skeleton, B12 gives, keeps nerves healthy, iron gives, keeps your energy stable for seniors. This is a perfect morning combination, a gentle way to eat eggs if you are over 60. Eat eggs in a gentle style, soft-boiled, poached, light, omelette, scrambled, in olive oil mixed with vegetables. Food protects digestion. Warm food protects the stomach. Gentle cooking protects the heart. And remember, strong bones need strong muscles, and eggs build both. A kind final message on food. Food is not just nutrition. Food is healing. Food is memory. Food is life. When you nourish your body, you are honoring your past, your strength, your journey, your survival, your wisdom, and your future. You deserve every bit of health that comes your way. Section 9. The Daily Bone Strength Blueprint. Now let's put everything together into a clear, easy plan. Here is your daily bone strength plate. Morning, yogurt or milk, 1 gentle cooked egg, handful of nuts, almonds or walnuts. Lunch, a serving of leafy greens. Protein, chicken, fish, legumes. Evening, salmon or yogurt. Vitamin C, fruit to help absorb calcium. Drink water throughout the day. Keep your body warm. Move gently. Walk slowly. Stretch lightly. Keep your bones loved. Section 10. A final message from the heart. Me dear friend, if you are listening to this, then understand something deeply. You still have time to become stronger. You still have time to rebuild your bones. You still have time to protect your body. You still have time to improve your life. Your age is not a prison. Your bones are not your enemy. And your body is not giving up on you. It is simply asking for your help. Give it calcium. Give it vitamin D. Give it protein. Give it magnesium. Give it greens. Give it movement. Give it care. Your bones have carried you your entire life. Now it is your turn to take care of them. You are not old. You are golden. You are not weak. You are wise. You are not finished. You are entering a new chapter of strength. And these 5 foods, they are your daily companions on that journey.